Stop, Challenge, and Choose is technology I developed to help people really regain control of themselves. We go throughout our day, we're reacting to the things around us, and many times that reaction is at a subconscious level. What happens is we have a stimulus and we respond automatically to your emotions welling up inside that have you then react. And once you start reacting, it's too late. You're now involved in it and we become emotional. And we forget about thinking logically. And when that happens, we suddenly lose control over the outcome. But right when that happens, you want to stop. You want to observe what's going on. You want to challenge why you're thinking or feeling or seeing. And you choose an outcome that moves you forward in a progressive way. You've now created that gap, and that gap is everything.